Let's see how you can easily assign conversation to your human agents from the chatbot. For example, you can actually collect specific details from the customers using a simple chatbot DM automation, and then after you collect all those details, you can simply transfer the chat to the human agent for further follow-up or qualification or sales close as well. So let's see how to achieve this one right here. So this can simply work on multiple channels like Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, even other channels too. So here I'm in a demo account, and here we have connected all the support channels like Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, etc. So here I have a sample flow right here. So let me go to the flow section and show you. So here I have this fitness coach lead generation demo flow right here, where we collect few details from the customers. So it says, hi, first name, can I ask 3 quick questions to help you recommend the best workout plan? So if they say yes, we simply ask them to provide we actually ask the first question, what is the fitness goal, and then how many days they are actually available for the workout. And so here their current fitness level, and then we simply push them to book the call by providing a specific link. So here at the end of this flow or the chat, you can actually assign this conversation to the human agent for further follow-up, and if they have any questions, they can answer accordingly as well. So here you can click on this continue button over here, and instead of sending a message, choose an action over here, action, and here you have the actions related to inbox. For example, you can first transfer the conversation to the human, so it will post the chatbot, and then you can actually assign this conversation to specific agents or admins as well. For example, you can actually assign this conversation to a specific admin if you want. So here we have multiple admins or human agents in this account. So if you're wondering how to add a new human agents or admins to your account, you can simply go to the settings over here and choose admins. So here click on manage over here. So you can actually add new admins or human agents with specific permissions as well. For example, if you want them to access only your contact or inbox, you can do that. Otherwise, you can also assign allow them to access only the conversation assigned to them only as well. So there are different options for you, but here we have multiple agents. So here you can actually assign this conversation to a specific agent as well. Otherwise, you have also another option as well. For example, here inbox, you can actually use this assign conversation equally between different agents or admins as well. For example, this round robin, where you can actually assign conversation between specific agents equally as well. You can set the time frame as well, all time or last 8 hours, last hour or 24 hours. And even if the one of the agent or admin doesn't respond within a specific time frame, you can actually as auto reassign to different admins as well. So there is also another option, but for now let me simply assign this conversation to my account right here. For example, inbox, assign conversation to an admin, and let me choose chatting media over here. All right, so this will be transferred to the human and then assigned to the specific admin chatting media as well. So let me click on publish over here. You can actually activate this through specific keywords through the DMs, or you can also use comments automation as well. So let's go to the marketing tools and activate the Facebook comments automation right here. So here let me create a new one, and let me say fitness, and here let's choose all post and private reply. So the private reply will be the specific flow, which is fitness coach lead generation. All right, so choose the flow right here, and public comment reply, you can add specific variations, send your DM or DM sent, you can have multiple variations. And comments equal, so you can set a specific keyword as well. For example, let me say leads, just for the demo, leads, and this will actually trigger the automation. And here you have more options. You can even like the user comment, and you can even delay this response if you want, but for now let me choose immediately and click save. All right, it has been saved, and make sure this is active as well. So let's test how this actually works. So here let me go to the Facebook page connected demo chatting media and open any post or reel right here, and simply add the comment saying leads, and see how this actually works. So I just added the comment leads, so this should actually trigger the automation and send us the message right there. So here we receive the message. It says, hi Austin, can I ask 3 questions to help you recommend the best workout plan? So if you click on view comment, it will take you directly to the specific post right there, and here it says it liked the particular user's comment right here, and also it added the public comment reply, send your DM as well. So now let me say yes, sure. So now it simply asks the customers 3 questions over there. Uzam, what is your main fitness goal? So there are 3 options right here. They can choose one of these options. So let me say lose weight. and then it will ask the second question, right? They're asking about how many days they are actually available for the workout. So it says how many days per week can you realistically work out? 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5 plus. So now if I go to the unified inbox, so let me go to the unified inbox over here, where you can track conversation from all these support channels. So this is from the Facebook Messenger. You see this is the conversation happened from the comments. I provide all these details, and as you can see, it says bot is active. And here you see we actually in this all conversations filter here, and they have also seen this message, but I didn't reply yet. So let me proceed. 3 to 4 days, and it will actually ask the final question, how would you describe your fitness level? So let me say advanced. All right, I have answered all these questions. Now it will provide a link to book the call as well. So now if I go to the unified inbox and let me refresh, this chat is now assigned to myself. So it says assigned to me, and you see the customer's agent profile right here as well. So if you click on this arrow and filters in the my inbox, you see this conversation is assigned to yourself. So from here you can actually send any sort of messages as you like as well, and if you want to see all the conversation assigned to the human, you can simply click on human over here. It shows all the conversation that has been already assigned to the human, and if you want to see only the bot conversation, you can track right here as well. So these are the bot conversation, but if you want to locate all these conversation assigned between human and bot, all conversation, you can simply untick this one, and it will show all these conversation right here. And here if you want to remove the assignment, you can do that. Otherwise you can also assign this to different agents or admins as necessary as well. And from this unified inbox, agent can send any sort of messages right here as well. So I just send a message to this customer from this unified inbox, and the customer will receive it right here. Simple as that. And that's a quick video on how you can easily assign conversation to human agent from chatbots. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.